Super Serious Cooking. This week, we're going to look at a pot that had a lid on it, some white stuff, and a mystery packet. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the lid. Put lid over there. Pour our white liquid in here. Very exciting. Then, put the camera down. Put that kind of into frame. First mystery object, scissors. Just going to cut this open. Not all the way. Dump our packet into the milk. By the way, it was milk. Second mystery object, a spatula, kinda. And we're just going to kind of try to incorporate the milk and this powdery chocolate stuff together. Are we making chocolate milk? That would be weird. We're putting it in a pot and heating it up. I think a smarter thing, instead of using this spatula, would be using a whisk. So let's make a mess and grab the whisk. Okay, there's our chocolate. It's starting to kind of boil. There we go. A little bit. So just continue to stir for like a minute. Okay, our pot's not there. Took it off the heat, and we're gonna keep stirring forever. Okay, so our chocolate mix is finally done. And our final secret ingredient was a pie shell. We're just going to pour this in. We didn't make our own. We cheated and bought one. Will it fit? Hopefully. Hopefully it doesn't go over the edge. Okay, thank you for watching Super Serious Cooking. This week we used milk in order to make a chocolate pudding pie, chocolate whatever. That needs to go sit in the fridge for a while. But catch us next week when we'll do something else. Alright, bye-bye!